Hello to everyone, happy Friday. Mag-bini-vlog muna tayo guys. Nadiin na na upload dito yung abroad na nabayagin ng mga kay Ornong na pasyahay. Vacation mood tayo guys, life in the province. There's something so peaceful about living in the province. Masarap na simula ng hangin, ng paligid. At lalo na kung marami kang alagang hayop. Everyday feels like simple adventure. Today, vacation mood si ako. Nagpasto muna ng itik sa bukid. Nabawang pinapinap ko sa mga groups. I realize life is somehow like that. Minsan, kalap-kalap tayo sa goals natin. Pero masaya pa rin when things are way together. The beauty of Paris life is in its simplicity. Walang pressure, walang masyadong ingay, just nature. Animals and peace of mind. Sometimes the best kind of happiness is not found in malls or big cities, but in the quiet moments of the farm, feeding animals, putting pressure on them. Enjoy watching guys and thank you.